Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install Dynamic Island on any Oppo phone. Now to do that, just open the Google Play Store on your smartphone. Then in the search bar, just search this and install this app on your smartphone. Then tap on Open. Now from here, just tap on Next. Now just give this app these permissions. First of all, just tap on Select Apps. Then tap on All. After that, just go back and tap on Notification Access. Now from here, just tap on Dynamic Spot and enable Allow Notification Access. Then select Allow and tap on Draw on Screen and select Allow. After that, just tap on Draw on Screen one more time and tap on Next. From here, just tap on Downloaded Apps and tap on Dynamic Spot. From here, just enable the toggle for Dynamic Spot and select Allow. Then tap on Done. Now just tap on the X icon and from here just tap on the play button over here. Now just give this app this permission. Now as you can see, we have successfully enabled Dynamic Island on our Oppo phone. And from here, if you tap on Appearance, you can change the appearance of the Dynamic Island on your phone. And if you tap on Position, you can customize the position of the Dynamic Island. Now if I go to the home screen and if I play anything on my smartphone, as you can see, we have successfully enabled Dynamic Island on our smartphone. Just like that. And this is how you can install Dynamic Island on any Oppo phone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.